Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 8 says simplify the following. 8x minus 3 times 2x plus 1 plus 5. So since the directions say simplify, I'm going to go back to the order of operations. Grouping symbols are usually parentheses, workable exponents, multiply, divide from left to right, and add or subtract from left to right. Since this is algebraic because I have variables, I know that my multiplication division is usually going to be the distributive property, and adding and subtracting is combining like terms. So if I look in my parentheses 2x plus 1, there's no work in parentheses because those are not like terms. I have no workable exponents, and so I look for multiplication or division in the form of the distributive property negative 3 times 2x and negative 3 times 1 is where I'll begin the problem. So negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x, and negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Since the parentheses close up right here, that means the multiplication is done, plus 5. Now I'm going to move on to adding and subtracting, which means I'm going to combine like terms. So I have 8x minus 6x, they're both named x, and so 8x minus 6x will be 2x. And then I have a negative 3 plus 5 as numbers, and so negative 3 plus 5, or 5 minus 3, is positive 2. And so when I simplify, my answer will be 2x plus 2.